Hey! Hey guys, what's up? I am SuperShree and I am back. Well, how is it going, huh? I know, such a dumb question to ask. How will it go? And these people around, they cannot obsess themselves enough to find something positive to do while you're developing your social distancing skills already, which are dope. They want you to develop some more skills in this period of time, right? As if locking yourself down in your own house without doing anything and yet dodging those video calls in the name of work from home wasn't a skill already. But we should develop a skill set, and I figured we should really pay attention to what kind of skill set we should develop in order to survive these days of lockdown. Yeah. So this video is how to make your younger sibling do your work. Now I know what you must be thinking, like, oh god, SuperShree, you're such a bad person, you're such a bad sibling, boo. You know what? I know it. And guess what? You read the title and then you clicked on this video, I'm assuming. So, who's evil now? Or maybe we can share the load. I have no issues. Coming back to the point. Now, I don't need to explain myself as to why I want my younger sibling to do my work, because that's kind of self-explanatory. And everyone who has a sibling knows this. But in case you do not have a younger sibling, I can just say one line to express myself. Desperate times call for desperate measures. And what is so desperate about the situation, you ask? Well, everything, including myself and my mom, who wants the whole house to be cleaned in just one day. Do I like her idea? No. Can I do something about it? At first I thought no, but then, hell yeah! So now that you're well aware as to why we are having this discussion, let's just directly execute the plan. Now there are 5 steps that you need to do in order for your younger sibling to do all your work. Follow along. Okay, now we will start in a very systematic way. We can start with being on the good side and slowly making ourselves more comfortable with the idea of being aggressive. Well, don't worry, I'm not a violent person. I won't ask you to beat them up. Not at all. Step number 1, compliment them. Now there are certain siblings that I have come across myself who are very much obsessed with, getting compliments and getting all kind of praise and stuff like that. Give it to them. क्या तारीफ थी? Just a second.
2 hours later.
Done. आचार्यन,
हाँ बोल.
सुन, अगर तू नहीं होता ना तो तेरे कपड़े भी नहीं होते.
हाँ पता है मुझे वो.
और फिर मैं उन्हें चुरा के पहन भी नहीं पाती.
कुछ नया बता.
तेरे बाल बहुत अच्छे हुआ करते थे, अब काफ़ी बकवास हैं. तू अपनी हाइट क्यों नहीं बढ़ाता जाके?
ऐसा है, इस वक्त सबसे लंबा हूँ मैं इस घर में. देख क्या चाहिए तेरे को?
कुछ नहीं, मैं तेरी तारीफ करने की कोशिश कर रही थी.
अच्छा, थोड़ी और कल्चर.
इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होगी मुझसे. Step number 2, emotional blackmail. You must have done a shitload of things for them in their whole life. Use it to your advantage. And if you're someone who has not done a single thing for your younger sibling, well, what you can do is just make something they really like and then emotional blackmail them about it. Right? आर्यन, मैं तेरे लिए कुछ लाई हूँ.
क्या?
तेरा फेवरेट सूप.
मंचाओ?
नहीं, टमेटो.
वो मेरा फेवरेट नहीं है। चल दे दे।
अच्छा लेकिन मुझे ना तुझे कुछ सच भी बताना था।
क्या?
इतने साल से मैंने तुझसे एक सच छुपाया है। मुझे लगता है आज मुझे तुझे बता देना चाहिए।
क्या?
जो मैं तुझे बोलती थी ना कि तुझे कचरे डब्बे से उठाया है, वो सच नहीं था। तुझे पब्लिक टॉयलेट से उठाया है।
हट। अरे तो सूप दे रे।
Sorry. Step number 3. Remind them whenever you saved their asses. Well, siblings can forget all your compliments and all the emotional blackmails or whatever you've done for them, but they cannot ever, and they should not, forget whenever you've saved their asses from your parents. So use that. Remind them about it. Go ahead. आर्यन, मैं तेरे लिए क्या कुछ नहीं किया है, हाँ? इतने सालों में वो लास्ट वीक वॉश बेसिन का जो सिंक टूटा था,
जो मैंने गिराया नहीं था उस पर मेरा नाम लग गया था, वही।
किसने बताया था मम्मी को? मैंने बताया था उन्हें।
वो तू थी।
Step number 4. Threaten them. You've been siblings for so long and you know their weak points. Threaten them. Remind them that you know a lot of their secrets which can be spilled if required. Just threaten. Do not really go on spilling all of it. नाइट आउट पे जाना था। देख, अगर तू मेरा काम नहीं करेगा ना तो
हाँ तो क्या करेगी? मम्मी को बताएगी? जा बता। बता दिया।
Step number 5. Well, if all of the above steps did not really work for you, this step will definitely do wonders because this is like a tried and tested formula for making them agree to you. So, step number 5, bribe them. And this will break them. Guaranteed. Well, I'm not saying कि वो बिकाऊ है, पर वो बिकाऊ है। अरे मैं तेरे लिए गिफ्ट लेके आई।
गिफ्ट रैप तो कर लेती।
खोल के देख।
खोलना क्या खोलना है? सीरियसली मेरा ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर है ऑलरेडी।
हाँ तो लेके आया ना तेरे लिए, तेरे को चाहिए था ना?
3 साल पहले चाहिए था।
हाँ तो लाई ना एटलीस्ट। अनग्रेटफुल।
चल ठीक है, बता क्या नाम है?
तू मान जा। क्या था गंदा सा एकदम। वर्क डन राइट।
अन्नू, ये हेडफोन्स तो नहीं चल रहे?
हाँ तो वो 3 साल पुराना है, कैसे चलेगा? Well, I'm sure you must be so grateful for such an informative and life-changing video. Try all of that and do comment in the comment section below what worked for you. Give this video a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel because it's absolutely free. And if you do not want to miss any kind of life-changing how-to tutorials from my side, make sure you push that bell icon with the full force. Because how will you know these plans, right? So go ahead, do it. I'm waiting.
अनु,
I am shooting.
बर्तन धो देगी क्या प्लीज?
पर आज की तो तेरी ड्यूटी थी ना?
तू अच्छा धो देगी बे। तेरे से अच्छा इस दुनिया में कोई धो ही नहीं सकता।
Are you complimenting me?
हाँ।
Toodles.